Hello everybody, I'm Harley J, and today we're going to be looking at Wix.com and how to create a website for your business, your filmmaking business, or just as a portfolio for yourself on Wix. So I personally use Wix.com to run my business that I work for and that I created. But then I got a notification for Wix. I get notification from Wix because it helps build a community with my customers. So that's why we're using Wix. We are not sponsored by Wix today, but we're learning how to use Wix to make a website. So I'm gonna go back. I saw it as portfolio, so I'm gonna go to portfolio. I like to use ADI. You can use the editor, but right now I'm going to be using ADI because it's easier for me, in my opinion, because it does a lot of the work for you. It's easy, and you can make a professional website. But you can do more with the editor, but we're going to be talking about ADI today. So let's click Start Now on ADI. Now it's loading, and I'm going to click Portfolio because that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to go, since I'm a filmmaker, I'm going to filmmaker portfolio. And what I want to have here is I want to have a video so I can show my videos and sell my videos. I want to have a chat. I don't think I want to put my Instagram on there because, just so you know, when you do Instagram, you have to connect it through your account. I'm pretty sure I will add Instagram because I haven't used the Instagram, but my full name is Harley J. That's that. And I can go to my YouTube channel, and I can go to my YouTube channel. Boom. Go Command C, find it. I can paste it in my YouTube channel videos, and there we go. And that's my work email address, and add a social link. I'm going to go to ram.com. Access. And this is not going to be my personal website. I will publish this so you guys can see what it looks like, but I think I'm going to go for a retro right here. So I'm going to hit continue. Because I like that. I want kind of a retro kind of look. Maybe, I don't know. So now it's going to come up with 3 templates. Do I like this? Do I like this? Now if I'm looking at this one, the one that says this one right here, I'm going to go to click on the middle one, just have my cursor over that so I can see everything. And I can go down to here. And yeah. I think I'm going to go with this one. Now it's loading my things. And this is just an easy example so you guys can see what it's like to create a Wix site. And again, we're not sponsored by Wix today. No, we've never had a sponsor. If you're a company, please sponsor us. But yeah, so I can go to my Instagram and I'm going to add a member login. I want people to be a member of my site because I like it. It's cool. Cool. So now I'm going to go to pages, and I'm going to scroll down right here. You can see here are some of my YouTube videos I have on here. And down here there should be my Instagram somewhere. I don't know where it is, but it should be somewhere on here. Okay, my Instagram. This should be on load more. Okay. About me, I can add edit the About Me. So I am hi. I'm Jay. Kid who loves making movies and who has a YouTube channel all about filmmaking. And then I like to usually talk about my dad, because a lot of the time when I talk about my dad, people say, "Oh, this guy has worked with someone who is kind of popular." So, and my dad is, because he has worked with some famous people. So, I had kind of taken in some of that skill, and yeah. So I'm gonna talk about my dad. I learned a lot of I learned a lot about filmmaking from my dad, period. My dad is a Hollywood producer, spell that wrong, producer. He has worked with big names. Now I learned a lot from him, and now I am really good at filmmaking. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna click get in touch link. The link is gonna be to an email. Okay, got it. My site is saved. Okay. So zanland756@gmail.com. Now it's best to check your email if you wrote the correct email. I'm looking at it. I did. I didn't. I'm seeing things, weird things. And now I want to delete that. And now I do not know how this came up. Let's get to the settings of this. Connect Instagram. So now it has to have me log in through Instagram. Now I don't really want to do that, so I'm going to delete my Instagram. So yeah. Now for the contact, I like to take out my I don't like to, since I don't have a phone number, I take out my phone number, and I don't have an address, so I take out the map. Also, social accounts, I'm going to put on my social accounts so people can see there. And then there's a form there. And on the form, I'm going to take away phone. Actually, yeah, I can keep the phone. Here, I like that. Okay, that's done. And you know what I'm gonna add? I'm gonna see if I can add a like one of those. Sorry, my voice is a little bad today. Where is it? On here. The less I can talk, the better it is for me. And where is that? Okay, well, I know somewhere here you can add in a like a form, not form, like an email thing where they can connect to your email like, you know what I mean, like sign up for your email list. But so yeah, I'm gonna check out here. So you know what? No, I added that. I'm going to take out this. I don't like it. I'm taking it out. And now I'm going to go to pages. Don't want a show reel page. I already have something good. Out of that. Yeah. Now we have a good portfolio. It looks good, and you can always edit it.